Target, one of everyone's favorite stores. We're gonna seek out all the keto snacks, easy on the go things, and also some easy meal prep type things I might point out. Target's a little more expensive than your local grocery store, but let's face it, we're here all the time, right y'all? So we wanna know what we can get here quick, easy, on the go. So let's go check it out. Come on y'all, let's go to Target. First we gotta hit the Starbucks. Pumpkin spice, it's pumpkin spice season. Obviously that is not keto, but y'all, this is my new favorite drink. It tastes like I'm drinking a peach pie. It's the white citrus tea, no classic, no water, 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, and a splash of heavy cream, and it is heavenly. You've got to try it. All right, let's go, Jack. There's some good snack options here, nut-wise. Love to buy these. And they also have little individually packaged, which are really nice for on the go. So these are definitely a go for keto snacks. Got some more. Lots of individually packaged keto snacks. I've heard that these were all really good. I have not tried them. Truthfully, don't personally eat a lot of nuts, but I have a few. I've heard these. Lots of jerkies. You just need to remember on jerkies to read the amount of sugar in the back. Some of them are really too high sugar. Let's see. See, this one has 11 carbs, so no. Okay, none of these are really good. See, you have to be careful because there's all these jerkies, all of them have too much sugar. Lots of water enhancers. We need so much water, and sometimes it's helpful to use some different water enhancers to get your water in. So, a lot of these are great. Crystal Light, I'm not a big fan, but these up here, these are great. My kids love these also. These are really, really good. So, good options. Of course, waters. I'm really into the Smart Waters just to get a little bit of extra electrolyte and mineral. They have various brands of that, so these are great for on the go. And then we have all these flavored waters. These are all like sparklings, the LaCroix and Perrier and different ones. These are another great on the go to store in your cooler or whatever when you want something a little different than just water. So we buy these often actually. If you are brand new to keto, things like this, Powerade Zeros, they're sugar-free, 0 calories, and they will give you some electrolytes to help you not have the keto flu. I don't recommend these normally because they've got all kinds of artificial ingredients that I don't love, but to get you through the keto flu and get some electrolytes in, it's not a bad option. As far as chocolates, they've got this Ghirardelli 100% cake. Unsweetened chocolate 100%. These are definitely, you can chop them up and use them as chocolate chips or even just have a little snack with some peanut butter on it. So those are good. And then these Baker's unsweetened, that's great to have too. Alright, sweeteners, y'all, be careful with these. Some of them actually do have sugar in them, especially like these Truvia baking blends. They have part real sugar, so those are a no, but some Truvias are completely fine, so you just have to really look. We've got spices, all these spices. So many ways to make your meals super, super flavorful and change it up and never get bored. It's always good to stock up on lots and lots of spices. They have some really good organic ones here at Target. Here are some more keto staples. These are all different kinds of organic and non-organic coconuts. If you like coconut flavor, you want to get the unrefined. If you want it for the coconut oil but you don't want it to taste like coconut, look for refined. It is a little more processed, but it takes that coconut oil flavor out, and sometimes you just don't want that in your dish, so just a little tip there. And then they've got some avocado oil, which is a very small amount here, but avocado oil is great on keto. It's my favorite oil to cook with, and you can make mayonnaise out of it really well. There you go, here it is. Ooh, and it's on $2 off. This is my favorite avocado oil. I love this one, and you really can cook in it. Look at it, it goes up to 500 degrees smoke point, so this is really good, and I'm going to be buying probably a couple with the $2 off, because we definitely go through this. Anytime you're buying oils, you want to look anytime you're buying oils for cold pressed. Then you get a much better quality, and that's true for olive oil too. Look for extra virgin olive oil that has been a first cold press. Very important for quality, and you don't want to have olive oil that's not high quality. We're looking for high quality fats with keto. All right, some more staples. This Rayo's, or however you say it, has the least amount of carbs that you can find in a tomato sauce. There's a few others that are close, but the quality of this one is freaking amazing too. Comes in a few other flavors, so look for those. This is Target, but you can find these at most grocery stores. Highly recommend if you're not making your own. This is one of my faves, this Herdez guacamole salsa. It is so good as a dressing or any kind of topping with Mexican foods. There's so many different ways to flavor your foods, y'all. It never gets boring. This has 50 calories and 2 tablespoons, and then the carbs are 2 and 2 tablespoons, so that is not bad. Just a little note with your seasonings, you do always want to make sure to look at the packaging, because it just says taco seasoning. It's a spice. You think that it's going to be fine, and then here we are, 3 carbs just in your seasoning packet, so be careful with that. Let's see if we can find some different ones. This one has 4, that one has 4, so you kind of probably want to make your own taco seasoning unless you can find one, but just read your labels. This chili sauce is awesome at flavoring also, and it has no carbs, so it's Sambal Elite. This one is on clearance, so 0 carbs, only $1.28. I will be buying this. Love this stuff. And coconut milk is another thing I love to have on hand. If you're looking for an alcoholic beverage that you just want to have like on a hot day at the pool or the beach, this Truly Spiked and Sparkling, and then this is actually my favorite, the White Claw Hard Seltzer. There's 2 grams of carbs in 1 can, and it is just really yummy, and it's just a nice thing to be able to drink every once in a while and still stay on target, so that's an idea. I hate tuna, but I need to show this because these little tuna packets are really quick and easy on the go lunches for people that are doing low carb. They have very minimal carbs, and they're flavored, and people like less than 1 carb. I know you can't focus on that, but less than 1 carb, and people really like these, so I recommend them because I've heard so many people recommend them. Again, tons and tons of flavors. I wish I liked tuna. Also in this aisle, these anchovies and sardines in cans. Again, I wish I liked them, but very good option for you. Get in some omega-3 and some healthy fat and some protein, so those are always a good option. Super easy on the go, grab and go. Another super easy snack or part of a meal is olives. Olives are high in fat and very low in carb, so you can kind of go nuts on a little bit of olives, get you some healthy fat in, and again, they're easy to take on the go in your lunches or on a trip. They come in these little individual packets now even, so these are a great option. But some of these nut butters on the go, this one in particular is 3 grams of carbs in it, but adds some good healthy fat. So this is a like on the go, something you could just have in your bag. There's also a cashew butter of this brand that's a grab and go. So I just wanted to show you those. And there's lots that you can find on Amazon as well, but these are 2 that are easily found at Target. It's for grab and go. I spend a lot of time on the go, so I'm just wanting to share some keto things, keto staples, and then also ones that are just easily portable. There's this one that's vanilla flavored, and it's the same brand and everything, but it has sugar. There's 11 grams of carbs in here. So again, always read your labels carefully, because you would think this one would be a good option because these are, but it's not. So read those labels. And mustard, all of these mustards are good options. There's very low to no carbs in mustards, so go wild. I just realized this Target video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna stop it here and I'm gonna do a part 2, and I'll get part 2 published tomorrow. That way you can break it